very loose.
We can look at it. Says los dinosaurios que esperan.
What does that mean?
The dinosaurs are waiting.
Look at the zoos open every day.
Like I saw.
Quiero ver los monos. We were at the pool and there was a painting of Anteater and Dad goes, "Is that a capybara?"
But hold on, it wasn't the full anteater, like it was just there.
Vacas laying down. Vacas laying down.
I'd like to know why. Are they really just working?
Because vacas están relajado. The cows are relaxing. They're all eating.
Look at them.
Our family.
Tango ombre. Just walk. No, I can't leave. I know, it's crazy.
I don't want to jump.
Help him.
with my knees, you know? I got it. I just didn't want to, with my knees, I don't want to jump.
We are in Arenal National Park. All in all, National Park. In Costa Rica, we just saw an animal that Jordan saw. It was called Mother, what was the animal called? I keep thinking Cotopaxi. Yeah, Cotomundi. Hannah was scared of it and almost got in our trunk. It almost got in our car. Insert a picture of the Cotomundi. I'm Jordan. I am Hannah's sister, and so far the trip is going quite good. We've been hiking in the rainforest to go see this volcano. I could say insert a picture here, but it's like literally right there. It's been really good. I've actually gotten up early. Normally I wake up at 11, and this morning I got up at 6:50. Or no, I got up at 7:05, but it's still earlier than normal. It's been going really good. I'm really excited to eat some more fish, and I really want to go to the beach. But yeah, I really like hiking. It's very pretty. I'm very excited that we're here. It's very humid and I'm low-key sweating, but it's all right. It's still very, very fun, and I'm glad I'm with Eeps.
You want to share banana?
We're hungry. I want my own. I don't know what you expected. Coffee.
What else did you want to do? Papas fritas. as you so begrudgingly let me.
How much is it?
So it's 6,000 colombians per person.
Oh, that's just at 6. This is a ketchup. Is it? Looks different.
So it's
We just saw 2 parrots. Vimos 2 pájaros.
Hi, I'm Bonnie. So I think one of my favorite things so far has been going to the beach. We had wanted to, and it was perfect and sunny, and we spent the whole morning just hanging out by the beach, going in the water, laying in the sun, and so far that's been one of my favorite things.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Starting off with Motley Crue, who's leading Canada's round. Motley Crue. They had 760 points. They got 621. They had an incorrect answer. Lenny Wilkins and the Mod Squad is incorrect. They end up with 139 points. Team number 2 had 620 points. They didn't bet anything. They had the correct answer though. They had 620 points. Days of Confused had 650 points. They didn't even answer. And they got 650 points because they bet nothing. Chomp had 690 points and they bet it all. And they had the correct answer. The correct answer was the Traveling Wilburys. Roy Orbison. And these guys didn't even play the first 2 rounds.
Hello, my name is Dan Gretzner. I'm here in Jaco Beach, Costa Rica, day 5 of our 2024 vacation around Thanksgiving. We're having a great time. I think my favorite part so far has been the house. Seeing the toucan, lizards, monkeys, coatimundays, and hanging out on the beach yesterday where we all got a little sunburn. But it's an awesome time, and look forward to many more vacations.